sunshine, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have a few things to say before I start the video. So first thing is that I have a podcast and I won't be posting on my YouTube channel as much. I'll try, but school and other things have gotten in the way. Also click the first link in my description to listen to my podcast. It's available on Spotify, Google Play, and all that stuff. And yeah, today's video we're trying to be copying James Charles, the Halloween makeup look he did on Kylie Jenner. I have most of the makeup I can have.
Hi sisters, James Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm joined with a very iconic and spooky sister special guest.
Spooky sister special guest? Hi, how are you? I'm so happy.
Oh, welcome to my channel, you guys. This is Kylie Jenner.
Kylie Jenner.
In case you do not know. We're here today to film a
I already primed my face. I won't be the best, but I'll try. I'll literally try. Okay, so we're already going into the eyeshadow. Oh, I haven't done my eyebrows! I need to do my eyebrows, even though I have eyebrows, so like...
We're like really pumped about it.
Yeah.
Do you want to talk about it?
I mean, as everybody knows, I do all my own reveals, my Snapchats, because at a certain point someone asked me to, why don't you just have some videos and then post stuff? And I like doing myself.
Okay, so I don't have orange, but I have this orange red type, kind of matches the background. Now, sorry for my hair. Okay, so now we're doing a smoky purple, and I'm gonna go back with this. And I'm gonna take this one. Not yet, I didn't do highlighter. Stupid. Okay, so they're already drawing the skeleton face, and I don't have white, whatever they have.
I'm actually just gonna lightly black.
I don't know. Okay, yes, I know, I look terrible, but we're gonna roll with it. This side's not bad. This side's really bad because I'm even. Okay. Yes, I know. You don't have to tell me. I know I look good. Alright, stop. Just kidding. I know I look. Obviously, I know what I did wrong, but I'm using this Crest Glitter Glaze palette. I'm using the Orange and Beauty Blender to cover up my mistakes. Okay guys, well, I finished and here's a slow-mo, that way it looks worse. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Obviously, I did a bad job. Anyways, give this video a thumbs up if you know I did a bad job. Or if you think I did a good job. I think it's pretty bad, but anyways, I had fun doing it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and